Hi everyone.
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of home fine craft ales. If you're a new subscriber and you haven't come before, this is my world famous brother, Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone in YouTube land. Evening, bro.
Evening, bro. How you feeling today?
I'm alright.
You feeling hoppy by any chance?
Oh no, he's gone fantastic. I'm feeling hoppy.
Good, because guess what we've got to do a review today?
Feeling hoppy.
We've got Feeling Hoppy by those guys from Wilko. Now, Wilko, many moons ago, I started brewing, and probably a bit like you guys have all just started brewing. We went down Wilko's and bought a kit because we couldn't believe how cheap it was at the time.
There's a reason it was cheap then.
Yeah, for years, I brewed for 2 or 3 years, and went down my local home brew shop in the end and got a bit better. But then stopped brewing as bottles came readily available on the market late in the late 90s there. And it wasn't until just like recently again, when we started visiting beer festivals, that I started brewing again.
Obviously.
And hence the videos.
Hence the videos. So then, this is from Wilko's then. Artisan, I can't quite read what that is because it's been ripped off, but it says Feeling Hoppy, premium triple hopped IPA kit, a refreshingly light and hoppy IPA. ABV 4%, so it's not overly strong, bro, is it?
No, not overly strong.
And that's it in it, bro. Let's
Yeah.
just show the folks at home that.
That's the kit. Not as cheap as what you may think. £16 for that kit.
Oh, really? I would have thought I'd have been cheaper with Wilko's.
Just so you can turn this kit around in 21 days.
Okay.
You can have it brewed in a week, and you can have it bottled and leave it in the bottle 2 weeks ready to drink.
Right.
So to say, on the tin. Now, also on the tin, it says it's actually crafted in the fields of East Anglia.
Really?
And yeah, on this blurb here.
Right, okay.
And malted, malted in Stone Market.
Stone Market, where the grains are soaked and partially grown, so the natural sugars are released and a characteristic malt flavours are developed. Oh, right, okay.
Now, a lot of big companies like Wilko's will use other companies to make stuff for them. As like Marks and Spencer's.
As everybody does in this day and age, yeah.
So, who do we know from Stone Market, bro?
I don't know, bro. Who do we know from Stone Market, bro?
Those world famous Muntons guys.
Ooh.
So, Muntons have obviously made this kit. Now, with this kit, you do get in the lid there a little bag, all folded up like that, of dry hops.
Okay.
So, if you're looking to do dry hopping for the first time, this kit contains a little bit of dry hops we had there.
Okay.
This was Amarillo, so not the opposite.
It was what? I think you meant to say Amarillo then.
Amarillo. What did I say?
Amarillo.
I'm trying to be honest.
Anyway, so, oh, here we go. Slightly hazy.
Slightly hazy. Not a massive hoppy nose to it, really, is it?
Not what I describe as a hoppy nose.
And I have put this in a pressure barrel. I am putting in a corner keg, so back to basics again.
It's a nice, quite a fruity background to it, sort of thing.
Just when you stir it, you can smell some of those citrus notes, can't you?
Going in.
Going in. Cheers.
Ooh.
Perfectly drinkable.
Quite
Citrusy,
nice,
golden, refreshing. Actually,
I won't go as far as an IPA though.
no, I won't.
It's
More
like a nice, like you just said, a nice golden, refreshing beer. So it's a nice summer beer. There's nothing wrong with it in the slightest.
I'm quite surprised how drinkable that is actually for just a. I say 1 tin kit, but then you've got to add a bag of spray malt or a beer enhancer.
Right, okay.
Muntons do a beer enhancer which contains sugar and spray malt, and that's £6. So 16 quid and 22 quid.
It's you're similar up to a normal sort of like premium range kit, aren't you?
Yeah, might as well just have a double can kit, haven't you?
Yeah, okay. Right, yeah. Well, what do we think then, bro? I think that's lovely.
I think it's lovely, but
For the kit.
For a kit, but I'm disappointed it's called Mr. Hoppy.
Because it's not very hoppy.
Because it's not.
It's if you're going to call your product hoppy,
Yeah,
then
it's
it
got
wants to be hoppy.
It's got to be Pack a Punch. It's got to be on the old Goblin Shipyard range. It's got to be some of these craft beers that we've had from Dark Rock.
Even says feeling hoppy.
Yeah, yeah.
That's not making me feel hoppy.
No.
There you go. So what are you going to market then out of 10, bro?
I like that. A good quality 7.5.
Yeah, I'm with you. 7.5, 8 at a push, but 7.5, yeah.
Perfectly drinkable.
Sit outside in the sun.
Yeah. I've had it slightly longer than 3 weeks. I barrelled this on the 20th.
Okay.
So it's been barrelled that long.
Okay.
It's now the, what
so
is it,
we're
15th.
knocking on the door of nearly a month, aren't we?
Yes.
Sort of thing, yeah. Okay, well that's perfect.
And that's when I barrelled it, not when I made it. That's when I barrelled it.
So what's next on the board then, bro?
Well, we've got a couple here to choose from, bro. We can either go to Germany for a Pilsner, or we go to America for 4th of July IPA.
Let's go to Germany.
Okay, let's go to Germany.
Being it's the 80th anniversary of the Battle of Britain. Anyway.
You had to get it in, didn't you?
Don't mention the war.
Right. Get a brewed. This is where this kit comes from. This is a German Pilsner.
Oh, yeah.
They've teamed up with Crisp now, brewed some new recipes, and
We've not got any packaging for this.
no, they've got no packaging because it all comes just in a bag.
Oh, why?
It'll be all grain. And you get all grain, and it tells you here what's in it. From the malts to the hops, we've got Magnum hops in there, etc.
Crisp German Pilsner.
Yeah.
Crisp, noble and refined. 4.2%, 21 IBU. Lovely. Yeah, there's all the information you need on there. I take it you just print that off.
It comes in the bag, but if you do get stuck, you can print that off.
Okay.
It doesn't come with. It just tells you you're mashing liquor, but it doesn't tell you full
Just
volume.
looking down here, mate, you've got some hops in it.
Yeah. So what hops have we got there?
We've got 2 lots of Magnum by the looks of it. Hurstbrucker and Tettenanga.
Yeah, there you go.
I think I did well there. Right.
So you brew this one slightly colder, so because it's like a lager as such. Longer.
Ooh.
You said you brewed this at 14 degrees. You also chilled down to 8 degrees after the boil went before you had some more hops as well.
And also you've got it through the Guinness pump as well on a shore mix or a CO2 mix.
I've actually got only this on a shore mix, so I have got some lager type pills in the glasses. I'm hoping it's going to give it enough body and fizz.
I'll tell you what, well, that is crystal.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Wow. Ooh.
Tell you what, as crystal lager goes, or pilsner goes, that's...
Oh, that's a pilsner, isn't it?
Oh, you can smell it pilsner straight away, can't you? It's like being on the back end of an Alston
It's got some life in it, I can tell you.
Yeah.
Lovely. Anyway, cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Yeah.
Get there.
Get there.
Oh. That's been a fairly warm day today.
You've been out working, haven't you? He toils outside my bro, bless him.
And I tell you what, sometimes
He needs that.
that's what you need after a hard day digging holes.
Tell you what,
That's bang on the morning, that is.
on a day like today, it's been what, 27, 28 degrees here in Lincolnshire. That is fantastic.
That's coming, you can taste the hops in the end there. The hops are coming through now and giving it a nice, kind of almost bitter taste.
Bitter and dry at the same time.
Yeah.
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 That's lovely.
That's lovely, that.
No wrong with that. How did we say how strong it was? I can't remember.
I don't know if they tell you or not.
4.2.
4.2, there you go.
4.2.
Easy drinking session with
That is a 10 out of 10 for me.
That's definitely
all day long.
Yeah, definitely a 10 out of 10. Yeah.
Well, there you go.
There you go.
Marvellous. I think we've got a third, you know. I think we have.
Yes, we have got from Brewevolution, and we have got the 4th of July IPA.
Oh, it comes in.
It comes in a box like
The
that.
box. The box tells me it's an all-grain kit.
It's an all-grain kit again.
Size
Yes,
that,
we're
baby.
doing some all-grain kits. I'm trying to get a few more through.
So it comes in a big box like that, folks. Can you see that?
And when we've done a few more all-grain kits, we'll have to try to decide which is the best one over a period of time, I think. That's it on the dog.
Yeah, if you're wondering why there's litters of dogs in here.
What else have we got?
It's dog and park.
Every boy.
Anyway, we've got a Brewevolution, 4th of July IPA, fresh citrus flavour and scent. A nice deep amber colour and a large head. Great density and bitterness. Serve at temperature between 6 and 12 degrees.
Yeah, well, obviously, I'll put it through the cooler I've got running outside. Yeah. So it will be.
Oh,
yeah,
this is a little bit strong. It's 5.9%.
I didn't quite get there with the ABV.
Okay.
Sometimes this, I'm still experimenting a little bit with the dead space in my brew level. And sometimes the mashing doesn't go quite as well as probably it should do. So I've got to 5.2.
Can I ask a newbie sort of naive question?
Yes.
On here it says pre-crushed.
Yes.
I presume that means the hops.
No, that means the grains.
Oh, right, okay.
The last thing you'd want to be doing, unless you've got a grain mill at home or a grain crusher at home, is buying your grain uncrushed.
Ah, you see.
Because it's going to be a right pain in the arse.
I don't know about these sorts of things. But
so always buy crushed grains. And this is why I like kits, because it all comes crushed, the hops come labelled,
yeah,
the instructions are in there.
And it's all in there.
Yeah.
Lovely jubbly. It's a bit darker than what I was expecting.
Well, it says just say that on there, dark amber.
Oh, he's right.
Yeah.
He's right, you know. When he's right, he's right.
A malty dark amber beer.
Well, he confused me because he said IPA, you see.
Yeah, this is where I got a bit confused. I don't think you can call. Well, see, when
To me, that's the colour of bitter. Right, folks, see what you think at home.
Well, all beer's bitter, bro.
Well, you know what I mean. It's like a beery beer, isn't it? You know.
Yes, but when you go down to that Green King pub of yours, probably got one local, they serve that horrible stuff called Green King IPA, and it's as brown as you like. And it tastes like dishwasher.
It's not great either, is it? I'm not getting a huge amount from those.
I'm getting more malts than I am actually hops, even though it says it gives a good shove of hops in there.
I'm going straight in.
Cheers.
I think they put the wrong thing in the wrong box. That's a malty beer.
That's a malty beer. It has got a citrus background to it.
Not a lot.
But not a lot.
That's... You doing bucket?
Green King IPA.
Well, actually, yes, maybe.
Well, no, it's got a lot more going on than that. There is a. I think we need to take another mouthful after that.
I'm going
Pilsner. No, it don't make no difference whatsoever.
It's a traditional bitter to me. That is. It's not. It's nowhere near an IPA.
Actually, those malts don't give it a refreshing.
It's quite heavy. It's quite heavy, isn't it?
Well, they say a traditional IPA was heavy, wasn't it? It was supposed to be shipped to the troops in India, so it was an heavy, strong beer.
Yeah, get that. Okay, get that. So maybe it's harking back to that, but it's all right. But I'm not a big fan.
4 hours it took to make that.
Yeah, no, it's great, bro.
Yeah, Friday nights. That's not my favourite beer of the evening by any
No, you see, you've got one from Wilko's, which I think was better, and I think the German Pilsner was better.
I don't think the Wilko's one's got the body.
No, but for me, it's got the lightness and the flavour and the refreshing, whereas that hasn't.
No. Yeah, so I'm going to score it the same as the Wilko kit.
Well, I'm going to go a bit lower. About 7.
Bit of bin and barrel coming on. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Disappointing to say the least, that one.
3 beers. We had a 10.
Yeah, 3 beers. Obviously, the beer of the evening is the
Pilsner.
Pilsner from Get Her Brewed. Well done, Get Her Brewed.
I can't hear. I say it now.
Steady on there. Yes, thank you to all our new subscribers. I think we've gone past the 800.
We've gone past 800. We have indeed.
I think Michael Bull was, I think, our...
Was he indeed?
Yes.
Well, thank you very much, sir.
Bull
for
Bell, I
subscribing.
can't remember which. But whoever you are, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much.
Greatly appreciated.
Yeah, there's lots of people commenting, and if, like my brother said before, if you've got any kits you want us to test, just let him know, and we'll see if we can get hold of them.
Yeah. And that reminds me, it's not quite happening yet, but there's a kit being sent to us from some very nice subscribers of ours, and it's Elvis Juice, but it's not up yet. What is up next, Al?
Excuse me, stepping over the dog again. Up next is Get Her Brewed Hidden Chairman Chevalier.
That's why I got you to read it.
Okay. Get Her Brewed Golden Ale and Wilko's Dr. Thursday.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely jubilee.
Lovely jubilee.
Look forward to them.
I do like just try throw back to the old days of the Wilko kits, but I would much prefer everybody to use a low chrome brew shop and get their supplies from there.
Especially if they're if they're independent and all that. Especially as what we've got going on in the minute in the world, you need to support your independent people and shops and that, don't you? So yeah,
you do indeed,
definitely.
And then I think that's about it, bro.
Rightio. Nothing else to say then, really.
No, I don't think so. Just a happy brewing, everybody.
Happy brewing, everybody.
And it's a goodbye from him.
And it's a goodbye from him. Toodaloo.